You work hard for your money. Every day, you trade your time, your energy, and your focus for a paycheck. You wake up early, you commute, you put in the hours, and you come home exhausted. And when you finally get that money, you want to make the most of it. You want to save, you want to invest, you want to build a future for yourself and your family. But here's the uncomfortable truth. You're probably leaving hundreds, even thousands, of dollars on the table every single year without even realizing it. It's not because you're bad with money. It's because the system is designed to make you pay full price. Companies have made it their business to extract as much money from you as possible, and they're really good at it. They hire teams of behavioral psychologists to figure out how to get you to spend more. They design their websites to make it easy to buy and hard to cancel. They bury discounts in fine print and hide policies that could save you money. But there's a secret that most people never discover. The same companies that are taking your money are also offering hidden ways to save it. You just need to know where to look. Today, I'm going to show you 5 hidden ways to save money that most people never discover. These aren't the same old tips you've heard 1,000 times like skip your morning coffee or pack your lunch. Those are fine, but they're not game changers. These are powerful, proven strategies that are hiding in plain sight, waiting for you to take advantage of them. From price adjustment policies that can get you money back without returning items to free credit monitoring that can help you catch errors and save money, from discount gift card marketplaces to community-supported agriculture, and even extended warranty coverage on your credit cards. These are the secrets that savvy savers use to keep more money in their pockets every single month. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Your financial future is about to get a whole lot brighter, and you'll wonder why you didn't start using these hacks sooner. Secret number 1, price adjustment policies can get you money back without returning items. Most people know about price matching, but few realize that many stores also offer price adjustment policies. The secret is that if the price drops on an item you purchased within a certain window, usually 14 to 30 days, you can get the difference refunded without having to return the item. The secret is that retailers like Best Buy, Target, and Amazon have these policies, but they don't always advertise them. For example, Best Buy offers a 15-day price match guarantee. If the price drops after you buy a TV, laptop, or other eligible item, they refund the difference without requiring a return. Target provides a 14-day price adjustment policy. You can show your receipt or use the online order number to get a credit for the difference. Amazon has a 30-day price protection for TVs, cell phones, and select electronics. But here's the twist. You have to ask. Many customers don't even know these policies exist, and stores are counting on that. They're hoping you'll just accept the price you paid and move on. But if you take a few minutes to check, you could be getting a refund. The secret is that you can also use price tracking apps like Ernie and Paribus to automate the process. These apps scan your email receipts, monitor prices, and file claims on your behalf. They take a 25% cut, but you still get the rest. And here's another layer. You can also track prices manually using tools like Camel for Amazon products. Set up price alerts and get notified when the price drops. The secret is that these policies are designed to protect consumers, but you have to take the initiative to use them. Take 5 minutes to check if your purchase qualifies for a price adjustment. It could save you a significant amount. I've personally saved over $100 on a single purchase just by asking for a price adjustment. It's one of the easiest ways to get money back without any effort. Secret number 2, free credit monitoring services can help you catch errors and save money. Your credit score affects almost every aspect of your financial life. It determines whether you get approved for loans, what interest rates you pay, and even whether you can rent an apartment. A good credit score can save you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. A bad credit score can cost you a fortune. The secret is that many people don't check their credit score regularly, and they're paying higher rates because of errors they don't even know exist. The secret is that you can get free credit monitoring from services like Credit Karma, Experian, and even some banks. These services alert you to changes in your credit report, help you identify errors, and give you tips for improving your score. But here's the twist. Many people don't realize that errors on credit reports are surprisingly common. Studies show that up to 25% of credit reports contain errors that can lower your score. Some errors are simple mistakes like a misspelled name or an incorrect address. Others are more serious, like accounts that don't belong to you or payments that were incorrectly reported as late. And here's another layer. You can dispute these errors for free. The Fair Credit Reporting Act gives you the right to dispute inaccurate information on your credit report. The secret is that a better credit score means lower interest rates on everything. Over the life of a mortgage, a few points of difference can save you tens of thousands of dollars. It's one of the most important numbers in your financial life, and you should check it regularly. Set a reminder to check your credit report every 4 months. It's free, it's easy, and it could save you a fortune. Some people have improved their credit score by 50 points or more just by disputing errors. That's the difference between a good rate and a great rate. Secret number 3, discount gift card marketplaces can save you 515% on everyday purchases. Did you know that you can buy gift cards at a discount? The secret is that websites like Card Cash, Raise, and Gift Card Granny sell discounted gift cards at 515% below face value. These cards are legitimate and can be used at hundreds of retailers including Amazon, Target, Walmart, and Best Buy. But here's the twist. You can stack these discounts with other savings. For example, if you buy a Target gift card at 10% off and then use it with a Target Circle offer, you're saving even more. The secret is that you can use these discounted gift cards for everyday purchases like groceries, gas, and even dining out. If you're planning a big purchase, buying a discounted gift card first is like getting an automatic discount. And here's another layer. Some platforms also allow you to sell gift cards you don't use. If you have a gift card sitting in a drawer, you can sell it for cash. The secret is that these platforms are legit and secure. They verify the balance of the gift cards before listing them. Make it a habit to check for discounted gift cards before making a purchase. It takes 2 minutes and can save you a lot over time. Even if you only save 10% on a $100 purchase, that's $10 back in your pocket. Over the course of a year, if you use discounted gift cards for just a few purchases, you could save $100 or more. It's one of the easiest ways to save money without changing your shopping habits. Secret number 4, community-supported agriculture, CSA, can save you money on fresh produce. Buying fresh produce can be expensive, especially if you're buying organic. The prices at the grocery store seem to go up every week. But the secret is that community-supported agriculture, CSA, programs can save you money while giving you access to fresh, local, and often organic produce. The secret is that you buy a share of a local farm's harvest up front, and then you receive a box of fresh produce every week during the growing season. But here's the twist. CSA boxes are often cheaper than buying the same produce at a grocery store. For example, a $25 CSA box might contain $40 worth of produce. That's a 40% saving. And here's another layer. You're also supporting local farmers and reducing your carbon footprint. The produce doesn't have to be shipped across the country, so it's fresher and better for the environment. The secret is that CSA programs are available in most areas, and they're a great way to eat healthier while saving money. You can find CSA programs through websites like Local Harvest or by asking at your local farmer's market. The secret is that you're getting fresher produce at a lower price, and you're helping to build a more sustainable food system. It's a win-win. And here's another tip. Some CSAs offer work-share programs where you can volunteer a few hours on the farm in exchange for a discount. If you have the time, this can make the program even more affordable. Secret number 5, extended warranty coverage on credit cards can save you hundreds on repairs. When you buy an electronic device or appliance, the store will often try to sell you an extended warranty. They'll tell you it's essential protection for your investment. But the secret is that many credit cards already offer extended warranty coverage for free. The secret is that cards like Chase Sapphire, Amex Platinum, and Citi Premier offer extended warranty and purchase protection, covering repairs and theft for up to 120 days. But here's the twist. You have to use the card to make the purchase. The secret is that this coverage is often better than what the store offers, and it's completely free. For example, if you buy a laptop for $1,000 and it breaks after the manufacturer's warranty expires, your credit card company may refund or replace it. And here's another layer. Some cards also offer price protection and return protection. Price protection means if the price drops within a certain period, you can get a refund for the difference. Return protection means if the store won't accept a return, your credit card company might. The secret is that you're leaving money on the table if you're not using your card's perks. Take 10 minutes today to review your card's benefits. You might be surprised at what you find. I've personally used extended warranty to replace a broken laptop charger that would have cost me $80, and it was completely free because of my card's benefits. Another time, I used price protection to get $50 back on a TV that went on sale a week after I bought it. It's free money. These 5 secrets can save you hundreds, even thousands, of dollars every year. Price adjustment policies can get you money back without returning items. Free credit monitoring can help you catch errors and save money. Discount gift card marketplaces can save you 5 to 15% on everyday purchases. Community-supported agriculture can save you money on fresh produce. And extended warranty coverage on credit cards can save you hundreds on repairs. The only thing standing between you and these savings is awareness and a few minutes of effort. And honestly, isn't that worth it? If you enjoyed this deep dive into hidden money-saving strategies, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We have more strategies waiting for you. Special thanks to our supporters. This video is possible because of amazing people like Sarah J. from London, Mike R. from Texas, Emma W. from Australia, Carlos M. from Spain, and Alex K. from Canada. You guys are the reason we keep uncovering money-saving secrets. If you want to join this awesome community, check the link in the description to support CheckoutCheats on Ko-Fi. Every contribution, big or small, helps us create more content for you. Thank you.